Hey everyone, it's Stephanie here, and I thought I would do a quick little video showing you how I add in interactive elements to my 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. I don't do this on every single layout that I create that has some kind of hidden journaling, say for instance like a tag or something like that, but for pages that have lift up flaps and kind of movable elements like that, I do try to alter my page protector some to make those accessible to the reader from the outside. Now I will say that I don't do this for every single page. A lot of my pages do have interactive bits and pieces to them, and sometimes when I'm just putting my layouts away, I end up just putting them in a page protector, or if they get into a page protector, that's just as lucky. So I don't do it to everyone, but I thought I would just do a quick video to show you a way to add them to your pages if you wanted to. So here's my album, and this is the page that I did for with Maggie Holmes' Shine collection. It was just on her blog, and I thought I would just do this page since it was one of my most recent ones. And it's already in a page protector here, but I'm going to slide it out and show you how you can incorporate those flaps. So here's one flap here, and there's, I think there's one there, maybe there's four. There's one here as well. So, and here's the page protector. And the first thing I'm going to do is just grab, so the things you're going to need some kind of surface that you can cut on. And then I use a bone folder and a craft knife here. So those are the other two things that I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my project down on my mat. Just make sure you guys can see that one. So I'm going to put my project down on the mat, and then I'm going to lay my page protector. Make sure I've got the opening the way I want it to be in my book, and I'm going to lay that over it and make sure that it is roughly in there. So one thing that you do want to do, you want to make sure that it's actually, like, you can slide it into the page protector so it has the perforated little lines over here. Just want to make sure that it's kind of lined up for the most part. And then using your bone folder, I'm just going to go right around the outside of the page protector where the cut lines are. So you probably can't see that from the screen, but basically it's I made 3 little marks right there for that one. So while I have this down here, just to make sure they're all lined up, I'm going to add my other marks. And if you've already cut them on your inside page, which most likely you have, they're going to be, I find that the bone folder kind of goes right in that little niche. You could also use an erasable marker, like a dry erase marker or something, but I don't have one of those handy, so I just usually use my bone folder because it's right here with my supplies. Okay, so I think I did all those. And I can see them on here, and I'm going to slide a piece of paper under here, a piece of chipboard, so you might be able to see them a little bit better. So I'm just going to slide this into my page protector. I actually didn't have any chipboard, so I ended up using like 3 sheets of cardstock just to make sure it doesn't cut. So I'm not sure if you can see that. You don't want to cut all the way through the page protector to the second one. So now using your bone folder and something straight, like a ruler or something along that line. Not your bone folder, I'm sorry, your craft knife. You just want to go right along your lines. You see there's a flap there. And do all my other lines. So basically you're just creating flaps from the plastic. Okay, so now I'm going to take out my other piece of paper and grab my layout. And you're going to slide it in, and then you can lift up the flaps, and they are still covered with the page protector, so they're protected there in my album. So then when you pop it back in, in the album and you're flipping through the page, you can see how they kind of stick up a little bit as you turn the page. So then you can read your journaling or notes or whatever you have, photos hidden in there. So that's just a quick little way to show you how I add those interactive bits into my pages, because a lot of those interactive elements are in most of my pages.